Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And this video, I'm going to do a follow-up about the video I have published recently about the Maven and Spring Boot and so forth. So there is a comment someone has gave me, which struck me to create this video actually, because he has this question of like, should we have the Maven inside the liturgy, or I should, or we should maybe have the Maven in different way. So to answer your question, is that we need first to have the Maven installed on your machine. So what do I mean by that is that so you need to be able to have the Maven, so Maven command. So you need to be able to go to CMD or your command prompt and be able to run the command like Maven, like this, MVN. And this command will help you to have them to be able to run the Maven things or the Maven commands in your project. So, and this doesn't have to be the IntelliJ plugin. So which I'm not sure if there is a plugin for IntelliJ, but the IntelliJ will use the commands that exist on your system. So you need to have the Maven command installed, and how you do it is you come to the search engine, can be the Bing, like for example, I'm using the Bing, the Microsoft Bing search, and you type Maven install, and you're going to have this first link. The first thing you need to do is go to download, and once you go to the download page, and you are going to download the zip file here, and you make sure that because you are on window, to be easier for you to download the zip, because you can easily extract the file content. So once you've downloaded the file or the folder, you can even check use the checksum to validate the if the files has not been compromised by anyone, but that's just not necessary if you are a beginner and so forth. So once you download the files, you extract it like you extract other zip files, and you go to environment. So let me start it again. So now you go to the environment. Let me show you how you start the environment. Okay. So you go to window and you type environment. So by going to the environment, you go to environment variable, and you go to the path, and you double click here. You go to user variables, and you go to path, and you can see that my Maven, you can see this folder, demos Apache Maven, which I have downloaded and extracted it, and you make sure that it points to the bin folder. So once you do that and you click OK, and you click OK, and after that you'll be having the Maven command available to you, so that you can use them. So once you have the Maven command, you'll be able to run the Spring Boot project using the Maven, because there is two-way, or at least I know two-way you can run the Maven project. So one is using the, I mean, I know two-way you can run the Spring Boot project. One way is using the Maven, and another way is using the Gradle. Those are two ways you can do stuff. So let me show you the example about the project I have in Spring Boot, the project I'm working on. So I won't maybe talk about a lot of things about it, but just going to give you the idea. So here you can see that I am in my Docker folder and Java, and I'm going to go to my project, which is the Dream project I'm working on, Prepper server. And I'm going to, because this is a Maven enabled project, and I'm going to be able to run the Maven command in order to execute or run this project. So I'm going to do Maven and Spring Boot run. So this is one of the command you can run using the Maven because I'm in a Spring Boot project that has the Maven support. I'm going to be able to run the Maven Spring Boot run. So once I run that, this command is going to run the project and be able for me to access the project in port localhost port. So I think you've got the idea of differentiating the IntelliJ and the Maven. Though the IntelliJ maybe can do extra work, but you need to at some point to understand how everything's working and be able for you uh, to debug the project because you need to understand like Maven is a different things you need to install on your machine. And of course, you have the IntelliJ as a code editor that is going to help you um, to be able to, to edit the code and so forth. So I hope this video served you as a educational video and give you more insight about the video I've made. So I'm going to publish this video and I hope you got your answered, your question answered. And if you have any question, please let me know. And if you want me to create more video about Spring Boot, let me know what you want to see in those videos, and I'll be happy to create those videos. Thank you so much. See you next time.